Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the touch sensitive button at the side of your watch. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the menu. And in the menu you should see the settings icon, tap on it. Now scroll down through the settings and find the option called About Versa 3. And once you find it, tap on it. And here scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called Factory Reset. You can tap on it, then tap on Yes to confirm, and the watch will start resetting. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.